Have you ever seen someone retire smart? Like really smart? Well, meet James from Scottsdale, Arizona. James is 67, former aerospace engineer, analytical, cautious, and absolutely determined not to become a burden on his family. After watching the chaos in the markets last year, banks collapsing, inflation surging, and now whispers of a recession heading into 2025, James did something few retirees are doing right now. He used an overlooked strategy with life insurance to maximize his entire retirement plan, and it started with a single free guide. But before I tell you how he did it, let's talk about why this moment matters so much. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the cost of living has risen over 18% in just 3 years. Meanwhile, interest on the national debt just hit a record-breaking $1 trillion annually. That's more than we spend on defense. And with President Trump recently stating that, if we don't fix the dollar, we lose our country, millions of retirees are wondering, where does my retirement stand in all this? Here's where the strategy gets really smart. James used a specific type of life insurance, not for death benefits, but for retirement leverage. He combined it with a partial rollover of $515 and $300 from his traditional IRA into a self-directed Gold IRA, giving him control, diversification, and something powerful, a hedge. Now, why mix life insurance with gold? Because together, they solve two different retirement threats: longevity risk, outliving your money. Life insurance with living benefits can be tapped during your lifetime, especially if structured properly. Purchasing power risk, where your dollars buy less every year. That's where physical gold, held in a tax-advantaged account, shines. And James isn't alone. Carla, a retired teacher in Florida, did a similar move with $412,750 from her 403b. Her biggest goal? I just want peace of mind, something real I can hold, not just digits on a screen. Now here's the thing they both had in common. They started with zero pressure, just a free Gold IRA guide, followed by a quick one-on-one educational call. No sales gimmicks, no silver coin tricks, just clarity. So if you're over 55 and you've got at least $100K saved in an IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself to protect what you've built. This isn't about fear, it's about being smart now so your future self doesn't have to panic later. Imagine waking up knowing your retirement is insulated from the next market drop, the next headline panic, the next political shift. That's what a real plan gives you. It's not just insurance, it's assurance. So here's your next step. Click the link and get your free Gold IRA guide. There's no cost and no pressure, just insight. Because maybe, like James and Carla, your smartest move is still ahead of you.